Unlocking the secrets of Earn Rewards Points. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that you've probably encountered while shopping online, signing up for a service, or even when using a credit card. We're talking about the phrase, earn rewards points. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how you can use this knowledge in real-life situations. Let's get started. When we break down the phrase, earn rewards points, we're looking at a concept that's popular in loyalty programs, credit card benefits, and various promotional activities. To earn means to receive something in return for your effort or service. Rewards are things given in recognition of service, effort, or achievement. Points refer to the digital or numerical representation of these rewards. So, when you earn rewards points, it means you are collecting digital tokens or credits as a reward for using a service or buying products. These points can usually be exchanged for discounts, products, or other benefits. Earning rewards points can happen in several ways, depending on the program or system you're participating in. Here are the most common methods. Making purchases. Many stores and online platforms offer rewards points for every dollar you spend. Signing up for services. Some services give you rewards points just for signing up or subscribing. Special promotions. Look out for special promotions where you can earn extra points for certain actions, like referring friends or buying specific products. It's important to note that the value and use of these points can vary greatly from one program to another. Rewards points are designed to encourage customer loyalty by providing benefits that are accessible after accumulating a certain number of points. Here are a few reasons why they are beneficial. Savings on future purchases. You can use points to get discounts or even free products. Exclusive access. Sometimes, points can give you access to exclusive deals or products not available to the general public. Flexibility. Many programs allow you to choose how you want to use your points, whether it's for travel, shopping, or dining. To make the most out of rewards points, consider the following tips. Understand the program. Make sure you know how the point system works, including how to earn and redeem points. Stay informed. Sign up for newsletters or updates to know about special promotions or changes in the points system. Use responsibly. While it's tempting to spend just to earn points, it's important to use these programs wisely and not let the pursuit of points lead to unnecessary spending. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to earn rewards points, and how you can benefit from these programs. Remember, rewards points can be a great way to save money and enjoy exclusive benefits, but it's essential to participate in these programs wisely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.